Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Let's see how you're feeling now, Libra, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are, of course, general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Libra, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for being here again. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Libra, newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards here. One set will be for you, one set will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies, etc., action cards. And well, if this is your reading, Libra, you'll know which side you're on, right? For me, this is going to be person A and this is going to be person B. Bottom of my deck, I have a King of Swords. Libra, this is your card. Do you want to clear things out with somebody, talk to somebody, looking for the truth? I do feel a bit of spying going on. Somebody wanting to get out of their head of this overthinking, stress, tension, looking for clues as to what's happening on the other side. Well, as the other person says, well, I was very attracted to them, but they never made the choice. They never offered me commitment. So I'm not, I'm not interested either now from what I'm feeling. I'm not sure. Of course, I'm going to clarify these cards, Libra, for you. But let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification. Okay? So, Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Oops, that's too many. I'm going to put a few back and just maybe take one more. Libra and their person. Okay. And Libra, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person. I think we have enough now, Libra, to start our reading. The first card here says, telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. Somebody knows they have to go and speak their truth or have that communication and maybe now beg their person to come back, and that's really tough, isn't it? Because maybe in the past they never offered anything. So, telling you that I need you now will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. If I give in to you, then you will have the power to break both my heart and soul, heart and mind. I can't survive that. So the reason they haven't been coming forward is A, they know that they need to be the ones now to say, hey, I want you back. And secondly, well, then they lose control. Maybe somebody has control issues here. They always want to have the upper hand. So now they're saying, if I do come back and if I get rejected, and then my heart will be broken, and well, that doesn't work. Okay. I honestly don't think anyone will love you more than I do. Just saying. It's the other person saying, well, you can stay where you are. Try and find other people to love you if you can't even tell a person that you love them or you want them back. But I'm just telling you, you won't find anyone good as loving as me. I'm just telling you that, just saying. I let my temptations get the best of me. I got sidetracked. So when the time was right, I think to do the right thing, this person never did. They may have flaunted third parties or their temptations get the best of them. And now that things are not fine between the two of you and they've realized what they've lost, now how do they eat their words and say, okay, none of the other third parties worked out. Can I have you back? Manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. I can't stop thinking about the times we once shared. Okay. I want to have a family with you. Well, these were some of your messages, Libra. If these were resonating, let's start your reading, as always, with a blessing, an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this reading as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Libra gang. Blessing, emotions. Very, very dark, deep emotions somebody is going through now. I think they've realized this is my perfect partner. Or if it's the other person, they are also healing. They're also healing from whatever tower that's happened between the two of you. I do see something kind of blasted in the recent past. Maybe there was an argument, there was a fight, there was maybe third parties or competition. So, well, somebody has to deal with their emotions before they actually approach their person. All right, so let's begin your readings, Libra. So, person A, what's this Page of Swords? What's this Page of Swords? Why who's spying on who? Why? Okay, one more. Okay, so person A, Libra, I don't know which side you're on. Person A is heavily spying, right? They want to know if their person is still single or already in a commitment, right? They don't want to make any decision before they find out. They definitely want a rebirth of this connection. So what they're trying to do is figure out, is person B already in a committed relationship? Are they single? Are they available? Because they've been overthinking this connection, I think, for a very long time. They're trying to spy and get information through maybe social media or friends or family, so that first and foremost their stress levels can go down. That dark emotion that I think person A has been in, first they want to just release themselves of that and say, now I know they're not in any other commitment, they are still single, they're still available. And then 8 of Swords in reverse. Eight of Swords in reverse. They're realizing they've made some very foolish, unwise decisions. They didn't invest, and they're quite disappointed about the fact that they should have, right? They do want to open up now to person B, I feel now, but they are exhausted. They've exhausted themselves. They've exhausted themselves with their overthinking. This person needs to get out of their head. I think they are trying, and the way that they're trying is, if only I can figure out if person B is single, then that will give me a bit of relief, so that then I can plan a comeback. Okay? So they're not allowing themselves to move before they are sure. So what happened in the recent past, person A, that you're feeling this way? The Tower. So Tower hit this connection big time. What was this Tower? What was the Tower? The Tower hit the connection because, again, same thing, right? Somebody did something or said something very foolish. They could have said, well, I have many others, I'm in third parties, or maybe person B got to know something about their cheating, lying behavior, right? And I don't think they even came back to apologize or say sorry or reach out or anything like that. And meanwhile, I think the other person could have turned their back and said, hey, listen, if you are not ever going to make any sensible decisions, then I might as well turn my back and move on. And that is what put this person in stress. This card has come out the second time for person A, right? The thought of their person maybe now checking out other options or seeing what else is out there or having turned their back on them has really, really they didn't expect that. So what did you expect? What did you expect? They expected that they could just play the playboy and, come back whenever they wanted, get their cup of love filled, and then disappear and then come back again, and that person B would always be waiting for them. That's what they thought. They thought they never had to grow up and become a king and take responsibility. Okay, so how do you feel about the connection now, person A? Person A says, well, I now know that person B is the one. They are my two of cups, they are my soulmate, they are my twin flame. Whether this person knows about twin flames or soulmates or not, they feel that very, very strong energetic pull towards person B, and they desperately, desperately want a return of this connection. Okay, so two of cups for you. Two of cups. Yeah, they feel, my God, person A says, I know who they are to me. I know who they are, and with my unwise decisions, my bad behavior, my playboy or player ways, I drained my person out. I'm not even sure whether they love me anymore or not. Maybe they've just fallen out of love with me because of the way I treated them, the way I behaved with them. But Omkara Tarot, heart of hearts, I really wish that I could return, or they would return to me. So 8 of Cups in reverse. 8 of Cups in reverse. Yeah, problem here is that person A is still sitting in their ego and pride. They're still sitting in their ego and pride. As much as they want this return, they're not communicating. They're not even telling person B anything. Why? Because they don't want to give that power and that control to person B. In case they get refused, in case they are rejected, then their heart will be broken. So they're just sitting. They're just sitting, not communicating, stagnant, sitting in their ego and pride. Right? 2 cards said that I let my temptations get the best of me. If I give in to you, or telling you, this was a card, right? Telling you that I need you now will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. Telling you to return will be so hard for me, because then what if I get off my high horse? I'm not used to that. So they're not telling. Okay, so any action by your side, person A? Yeah, of course, you'll tell me later. I'm going to go on to the other side. I'll check what action you intend to take finally. But let's see how person B is doing now, okay? Person B, the Lovers. What's the Lovers for you? Okay, so person B says they never chose. They disrespected an empress. They never made me feel special. They never offered me any, forward movement or a commitment or a relationship or anything like that. In fact, they chose to disrespect me. I was right there, and they disrespected me. Nothing was offered, no commitment, nothing. And what's this Hierophant in reverse? Yes. Person B says, I was expecting them to finally make some kind of choice. I mean, I always knew that, they had that wild side in them and they had options, but I really thought they would choose, do the right thing. Finally, now we're all getting older. Maybe they'll, do something which will balance our connection out. All I was looking for was them to be clear with me. Be clear, tell me what's going on, are we moving on, not moving on. Instead, they disrespected me, big time. So, how did they do that? Can I have one more card for the Hierophant in reverse? One more. I think person B decided if it's only going to be passion. Okay, maybe the way they did it was, even though they looked very good on paper as the person who, was very caring and would take charge of a connection, and they were going to be there for the long haul, they never really fought for the connection. In fact, all they came with was maybe some sex and passion, which could have been good, but I think person B I think, became very clear about the fact that this person is never going to offer me more than this. So I think my battery is running low. Just give me a second, Libra. Let me just switch it back on. And we're back. I'm so sorry. Okay. So what happened in the recent past, person B, according to your perspective? What happened? Person B says they were expecting me to compete or fight with their other options. We had an argument, we had a fight about them maybe having other lovers or not choosing. I finally got tired. And I decided I'm not going to fight for this connection. I'm not going to stay in competition. I'm going to just kind of close this chapter down, Omkara Tarot, because now so many bad memories are created in this connection. Right? So, Six of Cups in reverse. Six of Cups in reverse. Six of Cups in reverse. I think person B found out some information in the recent past about person A. They realized that person A is just being emotionally manipulative and uses people to, give but not give back. And maybe person B started to manifesting something better for themselves. Whatever information I think person B collected about person A was not very pretty from what I feel. And what's the magician spirit? What did person B do in the recent past? Okay, so person B decided, I'm going to be the magician of my own life. I'm not waiting around for them to come and fill my cups. I'm going to fill my own cups. I think they started manifesting a beautiful new future for themselves, and they're feeling pretty chuffed about it as well. Everything is working out in their favor. So how do you feel about the connection now, person B? Person B says, I just told you, it's stagnant. I'm not moving towards them. In fact, I've been healing and I'm shining and I'm feeling led in the right direction. I'm in a good place, Omkara Tarot. I have my whole 9 cups filled. It's better than, having a 10 of cups, which is always upside down. 9 upright are much better. So, Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, Page of Pentacles in reverse. Stagnation, death. Person B has kind of come to that realization that I'm not really interested anymore. I mean, yeah. Star. What's the star for you, person B? Person B says, I am healing. I really waited for a very long time for them to return. In fact, I even wished for it for some time, but that offer never came. That offer of, one day they'll come back, one day they'll offer me something stable, substantial. And in all this waiting time, Omkara Tarot, instead of crying and feeling bad and whatever, I spent that time working on myself. I started putting in the work to make myself feel better. And eventually, I dropped this expecting. I dropped expecting. This was becoming too heavy for me. So I'd rather concentrate on my own life, my own 9 pentacles, 9 cups, than wait for an offer from somebody who's going to be that immature or that emotionally manipulative. So, of course, I don't think this situation has totally ended because person A still wants to return from what I feel. Let's see what actions you guys will take. I'm going to take a different deck for this one, Libra. And this is my time to request you, please, to just hit that like button. It helps the videos to circulate. And, of course, gives me a lot of pleasure to know how many I'm, interacting with. And yes, please do that for me now. Thank you. And Libra, if any of, the newbies who are going to be subscribing, hopefully, don't forget to hit that notification bell, as then YouTube can then send you notifications when new videos are released. Okay, Libra, Action from person A. The Hanged Man in reverse. They want to come out of a stuck place. Yes. Okay. Action person A. What action will you take? Action. Oh. Person A is going through the Ten of Swords right now. They're devastated. They're devastated at this ending. But they do want to transform it now, Libra. Whoever person A is, they want to come out of this stuck place. They want the past to be erased. Can we just start again? But the problem here with person A is that they know they've hurt person B very bad. As much as they want to now come and commit, their fear is, what if I get rejected? What if person B turns me away and say, namaste, thank you, next please, or something like that? See the card? Okay, so they're a little worried about this. They are ready to even commit now, from what I feel. Am I right, person A? Will you take any action, or are you just going to stay scared? Six of Wands. Okay, they do. I think they will make an effort. Ten of Cups. See, same thing again. They just want to know one thing. They want to know one thing only. They are still spying. This started with this card, and I'm ending with this one for person A. They are trying to gather information. Has my person actually really walked away? And have they walked away by themselves, or are they with somebody else? They want to try one more time. They want to bring in peace, harmony, and finish this conflict, but they don't want... This person is very analytical, okay? Look at this, King of Swords. This person is head over heart 99% of the time. So now also they feel the best way to resolve what's gone wrong in your connection is to gather information. This is like, a CBI or a FBI person with a big board in front of them and saying, okay, 9:45 a.m. This happened, 2:45 this happened, they posted something and so many people commented. They could be actually going into every person who comments on your pictures to see their background, to see if this is a married person, single person, potential, So this person is doing a lot of homework at the moment. So, person B, what about you? Any action from your end? Ace of Cups in reverse. Why is the Ace of Cups in reverse? Three of Cups. Queen of Swords. Yeah, the person B has become very strong now. Very strong, very, very strong. They don't even believe that person A can even come back with that cup of love anymore. They've kind of given up. I think they don't expect in their wildest imagination that person A could still be wanting them back. I think this person has kind of closed their heart out right now, but they don't want to make any wrong decision in their life. So this person could be enjoying themselves right now with friends and family and new friends, just having the time of their life without really worrying about love. I don't think love is on their mind anymore. They feel the best way to heal is being in my own happy sunshine, make my money, feel good, feel stable, meet new people, start enjoying, time without worrying about a love or a lover. So, well, that's what's happening. But okay, they're not going to take action. I was about to ask them again, will you take action? So, I don't think so. And person A is still busy spying. And till they have all the facts and figures and know that person B is absolutely by themselves and not in any connection, they may come back. So they're going through dark, deep emotions. They are. It's so strange, going through dark emotions but using their head instead of their heart. Alright, so that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.